In this program, Daniel Boone, experienced finisher and trainer, and technical training director for the National Wood Flooring Association, guides us through repair of 3 common imperfections. Debris in the finish, blown in by drafts or carried and deposited onto a wet finish by clothing, tools, equipment, or other trades. Drips or spills of finish from containers or applicators, hard to see in normal light, but glare from windows or change in lighting will quickly reveal them to the eye. And footprints by residents of the home or other trades, pet tracks, or other imperfections that happen before the finish is dried. Perhaps someone removed the wet floor signs or let the pet in. You can control 95% of these problems by working patiently, keeping the area, tools, equipment, and floor clean, and by making frequent visual and hand inspections of the work. The majority of these can be prevented or handled the first time and speed up your receiving your final payment. When we do go back to take care of imperfections, all tools and equipment should be clean and in good working order before we go in, and we should limit the number of trips in and out. If the vacuum has a metal tip, tape the tip to prevent scuffing the floors, walls, or furniture. Sanders and buffers must be in good condition with the right grit screens or abrasive pads and optional dust containment systems. Scraping tools must be sharp and kept sharp during the work. Make certain you have a finish compatible for the type of wood. Use clean containers and have all personal safety equipment, ear protection, respirator, and safety glasses on hand. And follow all regulations regarding handling, containing, and disposing according to manufacturer's recommendations and appropriate MSDS sheets. Suggest to the customer that you come in and out a side, back, or front door to prevent tracking in dust or debris from a garage floor. Make sure clothing and shoes are free of dirt or debris, nothing left over from the previous job. And wipe your shoes before you step onto the floor. Carefully inspect the floor and locate all imperfections. Rather than marking them with stickers or tape, which draws the customer's attention to the area, make a mental note or plot the imperfections on a simple drawing of the floor. Removing all the imperfections is the goal. How we remove different types of imperfections can vary. We must understand the differences and similarities in techniques. When preparing to repair and refinish a floor, seal off other rooms to eliminate or minimize dust flow. Dust and debris will show up as imperfections in the finish. Shut off the HVAC. Good ventilation is needed for drying the finish, so the system will be turned back on after the finish has been applied to assist in drying. Close and secure windows to prevent drafts. Cover furniture, and be certain to shut off power sources before covering appliances to prevent accidental startup. In taking care of multiple imperfections, we refinish and blend the entire area. First, carefully vacuum the entire floor, taking up all debris, dirt, or dust from the surface. The vacuum won't pull debris out of the dried finish, but it helps you spot any additional imperfections.